Welcome. If you've ever wanted to look back at your Instagram account changes but felt lost scrolling through endless updates, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to filter your Instagram account history by date using the latest features available in the app. This makes it super easy to track changes, edits, and updates. No more endless scrolling or guesswork. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to review. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. This opens up a list of options. From here, select Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of everything you've done, from posts you've liked to changes you've made to your account. Scroll down and tap on Account History. Here, you'll see a timeline of every major update you've made to your account, such as username changes, bio edits, and more. But instead of scrolling through the entire history, let's make things easier. At the top of the account history page, you'll see the option to filter by date. Tap on it. Now, choose date range. This lets you set a specific time frame for the changes you want to view. Next, select your start date. This is when you want your search to begin. Then, pick your end date. This is when you want your search to stop. Once you've chosen your dates, tap Apply. That's it. Instagram will now display only the account history updates that happened within your selected date range. This feature is perfect for tracking specific changes, reviewing your activity, or just satisfying your curiosity about your Instagram journey. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more tips on mastering social media. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.